So how are you?
You better bugger ya. Hello, darling. How are you? It's girl power when the happen.
I'm doing good. I always fear you online. You look good.
When you speak up, I'm not hearing you.
I said I always fear you online. Each time I'm looking at you.
Okay, happy new year. How are you? What's the name?
My name is Nathaniel.
Your name Natanya.
Yeah.
And where you
But people
calling
call
from,
me
sir?
but people call me Nat.
Pardon?
Calling from Nigeria.
Nigeria. Say yes, cause you're live with the Queen. Blessed love. It's girl power Wednesday, okay? Thanks for tuning
You
in.
know. Take care.
Queen,
Bye.
bye. Naira, when same name, Nata. Nata, big up your damn self, okay? Alright, Nigeria represent. Who else? Wanna come talk to nice girl, Queen? I don't miss me, no little ras, no. I don't miss me or not. Busy at work, man. That's why I'm not paying no mind. But girl power when they RT boss up and down at night time. Party. It was nice. RT boss, pick up your damn rich self.
Queenie,
Real
Queenie,
boss cooking.
Queenie.
Hey!
Happy New Year. I'm glad to see you again.
Happy
Thank
New Year,
God
my
for
darling. Where you
life.
calling from?
I am in the US. Remember your little girl from Guyana? You always ask me, you tell me you like me
I
accent. I'm
remember the
from Guyana.
accent you always
Yes.
remind me. Yes. How are you?
Queenie, I love you.
Thank
Continue
you.
to stand
Me love me too,
tall.
the girl.
Continue to stand tall.
Yeah.
Hey, only God could keep a good man
What you
down. And God ain't
to
gonna keep
miss
you
me?
down.
Oh, right, cause they miss
You
me. Go
hear
on,
me?
darling. I'm listening.
Only God could keep you down, and He's not gonna keep you down because you're a child of God. You have a
Amen.
relationship with God. Continue to keep your head up high. You mean I care what come your way. Your head must stay up
Mama,
high.
head is
I don't
up
care how
high.
much
It
you
doesn't
want
matter what
ball.
come away.
Yeah.
Yeah, life
Ball your
come with the good, the
ball,
bad, and the
cuss,
ugly.
do all we want to, but keep your head up.
Yeah.
Keep your head up. I love you. Continue to take good care of yourself.
Girl, for when the what's the name again? Where your name?
Suzanne,
Where your name?
two sets. Suzette.
Zed say yes, Kaya you blessed. Thanks for the empowerment. Have a lovely day, yeah?
Yeah, you stay
Yeah,
blessed.
bye.
Bye bye. Love you. Mm-hmm.
Nice. Well, crazy, I'm so busy. But you know what? It's good. I still can check in ever so often.
Check me off, Queenie. Yeah.
Queen is the head and not the tail. Remember my whole
Amen.
purpose, you know. All right, Susan, pick up your damn self. Mwah. Queen, mwah. Listen, everything is for a moment and time. Nothing nicey. Nothing last forever, right? Crazy. And just know, say, life goes on. Everybody have to live no matter what. Whether you want to go through the ups, down, now, and then it's still for you wake up of life, life goes on. Everybody get them 124 hours. You just have to make the best of it. And come love me up. Come and love me up, Glenn. Come on, my right, crazy. Nice Queenie. Yeah, big up RT Boss. RT Boss not left me out. In I real life, RT Boss pay everybody will come on him. Man to him word. Him take care of everybody. Big up your damn self, RT. Cause him draw me out of my house at night time, brother. And it well worth it. Blessed be thy name. Who this?
Queenie, what going?
Hello, Dad. Glenn around put me now. Glenn Walton. You're
You
glad to
good?
know your voice. You know, miss me.
Let me say yes. Oh, the
Sorry,
man
that's in
run pipe to me, I
Jamaica.
call it. What you say?
You're not in Jamaica?
No, fam, I'm in the UK at the moment.
Me not hear you now.
I said I'm in the UK at the moment.
In a UK? My
Yes.
UK?
Mm-hmm.
What the fuck you doing in the UK, fam? It's snowing there.
I joke, yeah, man. I said,
Oh, lie. Why you
but
lying
man,
to me for, Glenn?
I'm in Jamaica right now, though. Boy, I deal with it good.
He's in America.
Mm-hmm.
Eh?
Yeah, yeah. I can hear me?
So that means me not go stay on this trip then.
No, you're not
I
gonna stay
said
on
that
the trip. But when
Jamaica,
you
me
come
need
up,
to go
but
on my
when
yard
you
now.
come
I'm
up
going to
here,
get them
when
water.
you when you come out America.
Eh?
come to America.
When I come
I
to
will almost a
America,
year now, me not say, you know.
let me come there. I don't have no America visa. Look for when me tell you now.
From when they tell me say I gotta apply for you something, I know you can't apply for something cool. Hi BJ.
Glenn!
Hmm?
Glenn! If you ever
Hey
catch
friend.
me,
Alright, take care. Yeah man, you
listen,
alright?
you're no hey girl, make sure you put my life by so I'm gonna put the camera up on our shit. Yeah,
Yeah,
Glenn, so I'm
again.
not gonna see it. Eh?
No, I'm on a
Hello, Glenn.
yeah, where's the Queenie? Where's the now?
I'm not gonna see you for this trip then.
No, you're not
Alright,
gonna send me for the trip. I'm
Glenn,
not come
bye
back to
now,
Jamaica
bye
right now.
later, bye. We
No,
don't want you.
don't bother come
Bye.
with me, you
Love
know.
you, Glenn.
Eh? Probably if you come look for me. Yeah, evil, you know, Queenie.
No, man, I'm busy, man. I'm down here. I do some deep business. You get me? So it took up most of my time, Glenn. I just know I'm get like time off because one of the appointment cancer. But I'm extremely busy because I have to go back to England from last week. I'm still there. So I plan it at the next trip. We'll hook up, yeah? Love you
Alright then, cool.
and be
Alright.
safe.
I love you
All
too,
right,
Queenie.
darling.
Later.
Bye,
Okay.
Glenn. Love you. Yeah, right, crazy. It's Girl Power Wednesday. So I want to say I go on now. Two bad blood clot bitch a fight. Stefan and Jada Kinder. I want to say I go on over this so now. And them for work and them cross the same cracky. And them for have this track. Well, two bad bitch. Two song them bad. Everybody have them favorite. Everybody have them special. I like the two blood clot song. I love the two girl them so. Either way, don't make a difference to me. You understand? And people love drama and them like the drama, but the same thing we're going with Jada Kinder and Steph London right now. It's going on with a lot of ladies. So really, for a fact, it's just another set of empowerment. Some people might see it as mockery or to laugh, but there's nothing to fucking laugh about realistically when reality really chipped in. It's Girl Power Wednesday. When reality really chipped in, we women are targets. And we've been through a lot. You understand me? Me not worried nobody, baby. Me don't get dump and take my dump already and call it squits and hold my corner. Nothing wrong. My boss a youth. And I saw it go. I'm proud of myself. Nothing last forever. Everything is for a moment and time. As much as my cantankerous, me is not an ongoing war monger. Yeah, my spirit too nice. So, you said me sit settle in myself and get complacent. Me just call it a day. You understand me? I've been through hell and back. I go through the trauma, I go through the llama, I go through a lot, you understand? So now me just complete and just leave everybody, make them live, you understand me? You can't stop what you're not in control of. I mean, I go care nobody in the new year for get up, raise my blood pressure, pulp over my high, then mock me, then laugh after me. You understand, right, crazy? So I wish everyone well. True. Because I'm a peaceful. And because I get peaceful, I'm sure if I'm a hype because I never know when I get so peaceful. I think when I still there and I'm a cantankerous system still I try. But me no know God blow on different breeze from me right crazy. Me no know. Even me as some of that Jamaica, me no feel fetish, me no feel, me just alright. And maybe through me have things I do for my kids them. Why I'm really occupied because, yeah, but I'm good. So Jada Kinon and Steph London now are two bad blood clot clean fat pussy girl them. Them four over cocky man, I don't know nothing new. Them won't be the fucking first and them won't be the last. Two bad blood clot sexy bitch, two top girl, hot girl never flat blood clot girl is what? The two of them, the war fit the two of them. You understand? You know some people if way for war them don't fit it. There's no comparison. They're threatened. And because I know there is no comparison, I will not compare myself to do no distract. But Jada Kindown, pick up your damn tinker self. Step London, pick up your damn sexy self. May I bring the tone, may I blood clot booty. I love the tone, and I pick no blood clot side. You hear that? The tone about bad na blood clot, and the tone of vent on the one vent. Move on a dirty blood clot. No found in the ass clot stifling line. And I can't talk with your aunt, you know. And I can't twinkle, Stefan, and that two fat pussy so bumble blood. The girl in my heart top the death. But really, for a fact, either way, no matter how we say it, yeah, everybody express themselves different ways. But you know what's sweet, me? So Queenie, you're not alone. A whole heap of woman I go treat. But it's who? Bumbo clat. Is who have the guts to come out and say, you know, this happened, that happened. Bitch, I got throw a word from bitch, and bitch, I got be bitch, because we're all fucking bitch. So when it's time for us to get bitchy, it's who are going to be the most bitchier. We're all bitches. You understand me? We're all bitches. So no matter who bitch more, fire bitch is a fucking bitch. Big up Twinkle, big up Stefan, and a two bad blood clot girl. Them two sexy girls. I love the two of them. The two of them are artists. Man, but none of blood clot. The two of them lyrics them bad. Jada lyrics bad. Stefan lyrics. Stefan lip. That's my opinion. The two of them blood clot lyrics bad. But as I say, everybody have them on. I don't know, winning blood clot something. Expression. But people like the drama. But what on the way a blood clot takes out, what on I go through that and worse. I empower the girl, I empower now. It's not a winning scheme. I hurt them hurt and them I express them blood clot self and who can tear it for eyelash quicker. From who can make you have your hair front drop out quicker. From who can pop off your blood clot notes. That's just the long and fucking short of it. But really, in my sense, if me have a girl and me and her for the same man, I should diss me in a song. I don't got to go too hard. I say, God, I don't know, winning on it. Two girl them lyrics bad na blood clot. You understand me? But as I say, everybody have them own fans and them own favorite. Jada sexy, Steph London sexy, two of them are top girl. What the fuck do you know? Them bad bitch, two bad fucking bitches. You understand me? I don't know, winning on a blood clot losing. If the two of them island blood clot body now, two of them naked and island body, I'm going to watch the pussy clot and say breast and lick up and breast and pussy and jump and blood clot pussy and them a yeah, but hey, you know what Alice want to do and part with that? The mud something the put the baby oil pie, so you know you can't get no grip in it, so titty a slide off. Yeah, I don't know for nobody push the blood clot war because when I might see him when I see Jada kid down and Stefan and in here to come. Nobody know where to happen. You see, matey, can't tame and cocky and pussy. The man go there, bring the two girls together and say, listen, calm down. Burner bar, big up your clean hot blood clot, burner cocky. Cocky a burn! Burner boy, cocky burning, burning! Burner boy with the hot cocky, the bamboo extension that him a mention right now. I have Steph London and Jada Kingdom. Whoa! Them not like it. Whoa! We not mind it. Whoa! Cocky and pussy. Burner boy! Cocky burning up the place. Sweet, they say. Yeah, but when I read about all of this, are two top girl. And I like how a rubbish truck or two rubbish truck girl or two blood clot top girls. So it make it fair and normal and nice to me, sweet, man. Two of them are go with themselves. Are two different girls in a two different country. Them have different accent and different slang. You understand? So two of them bad their ass like them to the two more. Yeah. Steph for go back for one more. And them just lyrics it out because like that, them are matey. Two of them go down that road there. Do it in the lyrics because them have the potential. Jada have it, Steph London have it. You can't deny none of them. And like when Angel, Bunty Killer and Angel didn't have something, yeah. And Bunty do one, and Beanie Man do one. That's the same thing. Yeah, if I something like that, no, that's different. You understand me? Well, look a pagan from nowhere and come sing about blood clot me. Oh, that man. But Bunty say, who you? Bunty Killer, big up your damn back. So I'm glad for the joke the morning. Can't be the damn man with the trouble, but so watch about the video. We saw over Queenie to Pussy Club. I just read about about it. You have to go insult me this morning. Too much time is here. I don't get no. I can't pay you man for that. Ah, yeah, man, big up on to everything, every time. But how you find that right crazy? The war, what them say war, it's Stefan and say that. A long time I'm for let out them steam. And them do it the right way. When me want to know, I keep a UK sting. That's a business now. Me Queenie want to keep UK sting. And get Jada to come over. I should have stuck. I'm a two girl level up. I love it two of them. I pick no blood clot side. For that after I never have take burner boy. You understand me? But I want to keep UK sting. And dead ever keep UK sting. That time they would have come sting on the stage. And they would have said, oh, sting and win. You get me? But them need for do two more songs. Hey, girl, you're not going good. Pick up on the damn backside self. You're not going good. Fuck that. Live shot make the best side. You understand me? I'm happy. She feel what happen. I say, look at here, man. Thank God them start the new year to the job. I'm over it, fam. I can't, I don't want to go back down the road. I'm so peaceful. Look how nice. I'm peaceful and complacent to see right crazies. I think my daddy at Jamaica auntie that something. God just heal my Johnny is SPUT Cadine and just have me nice and relaxed. And I do my girl power Wednesday. No man, I do some development down here for my youth them so it have me really occupied. So I have no time for nobody. Myself. I put myself into right now for my kids them. So that's my business. Yeah, and it keep my palm tight and make me fresh and nice. Yeah. So the big up for the damn backside self. Cause right now, some work may go up on. What's popping? Well, the Queen is there. As you know, I've got the song coming out soon with Nikki. Ladies, you want to feel like Nikki? Small waist, big breast, stiff titty. Yeah, I know I'm still I do the EP, but what happened now? With the EP, I did for character, the song them said slow down my progress, so it's still on. If it not come out for January, it come out February, whichever day. But me down here at the music, I mean, just I put in the hard work because I know I'm crazy, never lazy. I have my grandma for go far, but anybody want to sponsor me for make wherever UK thing for Steph London and Twinkle. Jada Kid Dog. Ah, anyone want to do that? Jada to the world. Okay. Jada step to the world. The two of them make it possible because you know, one day would be the other if them are argue. One alone argue. So two of them may carry. May I both my queen. I'm allowed to be on the both side. But what may I ask them? I say, well, I'm going to two of them are UK. UK thing, want to think about that. When I like the idea, we have a couple more little artists, you know. But I Jada Kingdom to Pussy Clat and Steph London Bombo Clat. Two are women. What?
Jay,
Hmm?
me I look for you, me can't find you.
What do you mean you're looking for me?
You're deaf, eh?
But I'm here, Cuddy. Look for me where?
Me can't find you. Go look for you here.
Where you come, Portmore?
Me come at Portman, me come at home,
I
me
don't have
just
no
reach up.
time for you.
Me
I'm
know,
RT time now. Allow me.
me know, me
Girl,
not look for you, know.
RT
Because you tell
alone
me
can't
you
get me out of my house.
tell me you go spend
RT,
weekend
I'm
with me, you don't
you
come.
best son. I drop everybody like a bad habit. Fuck that. I done telling already. See, RT, yeah? RT put his money where his mouth
Ah,
there. So me I work.
ah,
Kadid, me not have no time for no broke pocket friend this year. It's a
ah,
different. I don't want no hungry belly friend this year for true.
ah, sweet me.
No, y'all. Kadid, let's get on the Christmas done. And RT said, Queenie, come out, come promote your song. Mr. RT, I am not coming out my house. I have things to do without music, without dance. I'm not come out and let the people them pay me for God. RT just called me 2 days after. I said, Queenie, how much you want me pay you? I said, I tell him, A 2 million, a 1 million, we make half a heart here to pussy clot. If me not stand up strong to blood clot. When they make the beer and moving hungry belly blood clot. You know how much years me have broke pocket friend? And last year when me a cuss me,
I
I
would
don't
have
want no more
take
hungry belly
sexy
friend.
boy
When Archie
Caribbean.
started off, him put him money where him out there. So you see me at work, right now I come for me. Work, me at work. Me not have no time for nobody who don't have the money. Too much hungry broke pocket friend. What
Don't
Kadi
mind
that not go
me.
for you though.
Me know that never for me. That could never go for me. Don't do that.
You better put
Don't do
yourself in that, but don't do that. Realistically speaking, Arcadian, it might
what?
sound drastic, but in my myself for this 2024, there's certain measures and steps that me have to take in it. So if you surround yourself with 5 friends, where the 5 of them are broke, and I look for you, Queenie, for help the 5 of them every year you do the same thing. Well, I'm not going to and I need the same
Friend, me
treatment.
see you, my sister. Big up yourself.
So you see
Jay,
right now,
Jay. So what? Big. All right. You are one. You are one. Like how you bench me. You see. You tell me say I come spend weekend when you come. Me
like
not
how
love
my
this.
bench you.
Your bench, yeah, yeah,
No,
yeah.
Kadeen, me
So when you
no
be
beg.
come spend
Listen,
weekend
wait
with me
no
last
baby girl.
weekend.
Listen, Kadeen, enough waste enough things me do in a life where now I would even say it's waste. It's a lot of things me do in a life where I look back and say, see, if me not be selfish, remember me kind of help and nice you know, Kadeen. So when somebody call me and say to me, say, Queen, I'm a
I'm
birthday
Bali
girl.
Bali.
Do I add to me? You can't do this and something. I'm sorry for them. You see now? All when my pussy here, I drop up, me not sorry for
I
nobody.
can't mom.
Kadeen.
I can't mom also they are going to. Where mom there?
My mother do say so.
I
Who
can't in a mom also they are
that
going
set
to.
mummy for me?
Mom! Can't a BJ also they are going to, yeah? Jay, Jay, how she gone?
He's a little informer. All me I tell her, she is still at the pan JJJ for make mummy hear me.
Then
Yeah.
you have me in a mom house. When you come out for the life, you
But
call
we
me, yeah?
me outside of it, so we that Ufa house me for make nice, you know.
May
Me
have business to talk.
never know
That is
some
it.
catch with you. That's me can't make nice in here,
Look at
so. He,
you know, when you
all
come out for
BJ to come take a pen of water and wet me up if me I make too much nice. And that's sweet.
when you come out for the life, you call me, yeah?
All right then. Are you
Yes.
call me Kadin? Me go busy. Me nah go call you for true. God
All
know.
right, me I call when you come
You
out for the
call me, yeah?
life. All right,
All right, my darling. Love you.
darling. Love
Yeah.
you.
Bye. You're right, crazy. Back to the reason now. So as I'm saying now, it's an idea I get off now when I say you have some bad UK artists, you know. Some of that the UK sting. The man them I got big guess. That is my idea. When me have the man them have to anchor. Can you have some good UK artists as well? Yeah, what happened? Divert him, make him come around here, so. Tell him come and tell the first, right, and come along. May I go over the scene, you come? Yeah, yeah. So the idea there, I want to keep one concert with the UK artists because some bad girl there in the UK, whole heap of talented little girl. When I get the real big breakthrough, so my idea is I think I want to do a UK sting. But I want to do it in the summer when the sun hot. So anybody that on this and mark me to and want to help me sponsor it and want to help me with it, makes sense. So what I want to do is do a girl power. Because Jada Kingdom and Steph London are going to start it off. So it's a girl power talent. So them are going to come show them talent. And it's the upcoming girl them. Because bag of British, you know, they keep on girl power something. I'm going to go. I'm going to say some talented little blood clot girl come up, they come sing, you see. I say some stand up, I stand it. Me get a breakthrough. So because me get a breakthrough with double tap, me acknowledge. But I have little girl out there with them talented more than me by far. The little girl, you have one little black one. I remember what she named to Pussy Clot, bag of British Noir. One little black one, I say, right, crazy. The people talented, so I would invest myself as a girl power and as an artist. I would invest into that. Someone that want to do a UK thing, beer girl artists are come perform. Any man will come, them have to anchor. So we are going to angle man them like puppy dog. Let them anchor for the what left. Yes, so girls need to take over something because the man them feel like them. In the environment where we're in, a man rate woman. So when you're a woman and you go through certain things, man really empower you as woman because them feel like if you're a man enough a bit, if you're a woman enough a bit too powerful or be more powerful than them in their vision. So one thing about the girl this thing UK thing, girl power UK thing. Them cute don't. Mama, me give you one. Me don't know, I'm looking at your bag. Remember, me not gonna no. Yeah, so the girl power UK's thing is a good idea though. I tell you man, me not visualize it man. It's like how me America fans thing and we are contestant I saw them two of a company but it's gonna be in the UK in the summertime. And you know we're gonna have like Chanel Moore, the rest of top girl, beer girl artists, you know, Lisa Mercedes, all of the top girl artists them. Then you have a little upcoming one, and we have a little talent. Bagger British, somebody at Bagger British. You see Bagger British in the recruit some guy. I love that way they do. They have someone girl power something because they book me as well. And I say right crazies. I say Bumble you know, so you can stifle a lot of girls in the music. And it's not anything individual to them, it's the environment because Jamaica's are more music grounds for music. Like me, Queenie, I can speak for myself. Me get a breakthrough. I God give me that breakthrough the cab. And I like me did that sing or a DJ. Me never do one shit more than more than entertainer. So God give me that talent, that idea for me know some I have talent. So my point is, because me get that break, why me acknowledge. That double tap becomes a hit song. It becomes a hit tap song for me in the kitchen. Ah! Mommy RT come meet RT man. RT full. RT nice and excited live. RT come, I'm on live. Yeah. RT come say hi for my live and come meet my mom. Please and thanks. Come meet mommy. Yeah, that more Chanel more. Yeah, I like girl more on it. Some of the promoter them to take that live. Ah! My new bestie. Your mother. Oh my God! Look at me, my fans. Look at me, my fans. She watch the everyday RT. Big up for the same. What I'm going with? Queenie. Oh. Go and view in there. In the nice. Go and go look RT. She's spotless, yeah. She's a clean freak. She's a clean freak, RT. Yeah, she's a clean freak. So you know every minute she fix up and pretty up. Foreign. Now I'm putting my mother, you know. So the bedroom in there, so this is our bathroom. Foreign. In my house. See there? I just wake up. Mirrors. Foreign. What a place. Nice, don't. Queen. Beautiful. Hey, so you are Queen in lazy bed and you are Queen in bed. Man, the new bed. New bed. Artist guys, but I'm royal with you. Yeah. Queen. So Queen, what going? May I come here? Come and have my vehicle, so. No, wheel. We have to go get all of that. Oh, you're coming here. You did. Mom, later. You say hello to your viewers. That's up to say. Gentle people.
Big up on yourself. You saw Queenie and enjoy yourself.
Yeah.
You saw Queenie and enjoy yourself. Look out for we on stage.
Wow. We are going for on stage.
You not tell me yet. Me not tell you from yesterday. Say if we do it, that you're supposed to make me know.
Alright, let's do it then. Come on, I better go home then. I was to go home Friday, so
exactly. So we are going to do the on stage. So we are calling and confirm it.
Yeah.
So we're on stage. Hey, we are proud. And by the way, Queen, I got Canada with me. My first show is in Canada. Me and Rebel and Queenie there on it with me.
Lord, that's so rich. Ah, King rich. King, wanna come say to my mother? Wanna come and meet my mother, please?
Queenie, why you meet my mother? Come,
yeah.
Kenny, come.
Well, RJ, then, what Jared, then, not
They
come.
don't come today. I'm gonna bring him with everybody.
Oh, you have on the tag, fam. Take off this, though. Don't pop off that. Hold it.
You take off my tag.
Yeah. That make your clothes look tacky. Yeah.
Do that again. Papa have a tag again.
Ah!
Papa have a tag. Tell him Papa have a tag. No, Papa have a tag.
What no more tag?
No, Papa have that one.
Oh.
Yeah, finger.
Ah, what Auntie I look me? Behave yourself, Auntie. I see me. Behave. Nobody want to look trouble make a man, you know. It can't
Pop it up, Queenie. Pop it up, Queenie.
No,
Pop it up.
it's too strong. We can't manage that.
What? Oh, you want, Mommy, want to picture? All right.
You're gonna say, may I send it to you and then we don't get it. I don't care.
Yeah, true. Come on, I'm going to send her. I want to take the picture of her. Yeah, that lead you back to the toll right there, so RT. Right, that toll there, sir. But you normally drive round this and go at the toll, but you drive this, so you go at the toll save here.
Yes, sir. Blessings, all right.
All right, BJ, later. We're at the road. We do it. Yeah, man, we need the rest tonight. Yeah, man, we need the rest tonight for sure. Yes, RT. What's today, Wednesday?
Time on your win.
What time I say? Yeah, man, we need a little break tonight for sure, man. Jesus.
Where's the Queenie?
We need a little break tonight, don't it? Yeah, man, we need a night off. Nice.
Where we know when we tell them?
I can't go good weed place. Right place is later. But when we reach over this place, I come out live, yeah? So I'm not tune in. I should have stay alive, you know?